फ से फार्मेसी की इस वीडियो में हम आपके लिए लाए हैं कुछ ऐसी जानकारी जिसकी मदद से आप किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में कुछ नंबर पक्के कर सकते हैं। बायोकेमिस्ट्री के सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक के बारे में हम इस वीडियो में जानेंगे। आज का टॉपिक है कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Basics of carbohydrates definition: organic compounds made of carbon, C, hydrogen, H, and oxygen, O, with a general formula, CHO, N. Primary function: serve as the primary energy source for the body. Key elements: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen in a 1:02 और 1 सेकंड ratio. Importance: provide energy, structural components, and participate in biological recognition processes. Classification of carbohydrates: 1. Monosaccharides, simple sugars. Definition: simplest form of carbohydrates, cannot be hydrolyzed further. Examples: glucose, CHO, fructose, galactose. Structure: contain 3 से 7 carbon atoms. Types: trioses, e.g., glyceraldehyde; pentoses, e.g., ribose; hexoses, e.g., glucose, fructose. 2. Disaccharides. Definition: formed by the condensation of two monosaccharides linked by a glycosidic bond. Examples: sucrose, glucose plus fructose; lactose, glucose plus galactose; maltose, glucose plus glucose. Key reaction: hydrolysis splits disaccharides into monosaccharides. 3. Oligosaccharides. Definition: contain 3 से 10 monosaccharide units. Examples: raffinose, stachyose, found in plants. 4. Polysaccharides, complex carbohydrates. Definition: long chains of monosaccharide units linked by glycosidic bonds. Examples: starch, energy storage in plants. Glycogen, energy storage in animals. Cellulose, structural component in plant cell walls. Chitin, found in exoskeletons of insects. Properties of carbohydrates: solubility: monosaccharides and disaccharides are soluble in water due to their hydrophilic nature. Polysaccharides are generally insoluble in water. Taste: simple sugars are sweet, while polysaccharides are tasteless. Reducing properties: reducing sugars, e.g., glucose, lactose, can reduce Fehling's or Benedict's solution. Non-reducing sugars, e.g., sucrose, do not show reducing properties. Functions of carbohydrates: 1. Energy production: glucose undergoes glycolysis to produce ATP. 1 gram of carbohydrate provides 4 kilocalorie energy. 2. Energy storage: starch in plants and glycogen in animals serve as energy reserves. 3. Structural role: cellulose provides structural support in plants. Chitin forms the exoskeleton of arthropods. 4. Metabolic intermediates: carbohydrates are precursors for amino acids, lipids, and nucleic acids. 5. Cell communication: glycoproteins and glycolipids play a role in cell signaling and immune response. Important reactions of carbohydrates: 1. Glycosidic bond formation occurs via a dehydration reaction between two monosaccharides. 2. Hydrolysis: breakdown of disaccharides and polysaccharides into simpler sugars. 3. Oxidation: glucose oxidized to form gluconic acid or glucuronic acid. 4. Fermentation: glucose is converted into ethanol and carbon dioxide by microorganisms. Metabolism of carbohydrates: 1. Glycolysis: glucose pyruvate ATP plus NAD, anaerobic pathway. 2. Gluconeogenesis: formation of glucose from non-carbohydrate precursors, e.g., amino acids. 3. Glycogenesis: conversion of glucose into glycogen for storage. 4. Glycogenolysis: breakdown of glycogen to release glucose. 5. Pentose phosphate pathway: Produces NADF and ribose 5-phosphate for biosynthesis. Common disorders related to carbohydrates. Diabetes mellitus, impaired glucose metabolism due to lack of insulin or insulin resistance. Though lactose intolerance, inability to digest lactose due to deficiency of lactase enzyme. Teen galactosemia, inability to metabolize galactose, leading to its accumulation. Important points for glucose monosaccharide formula, CHO, e.g., glucose, fructose. Storage polysaccharide in animals, glycogen. Non-reducing sugar, sucrose. Enzyme for starch digestion, amylase. Structural polysaccharide in plants, cellulose. Energy yield from a molecule of glucose, 38 ATP, aerobic respiration. Disaccharide in milk, lactose. Quick mnemonics monosaccharides examples, GFG, glucose, fructose, galactose. Disaccharides examples, MLMS, maltose, lactose, sucrose. Polysaccharides examples, GCS, glycogen, cellulose, starch.